What's a railroad museum without a model railroad? We're going to take a look at the model railroad inside the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. So let's get going with this right now. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And when we went to the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania, we found a model railroad tucked away behind all the displays for the kids where they could go and play. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ding that bell so you could be notified whenever I have a new video coming out. Take a look at the playlist where I have a lot of videos there categorized for you to find easily about model railroading and anything related to model railroading. This is a short video of the model railroad only. The next video coming out is going to be of the museum itself, so I hope you enjoy. This is inside the Railroad Museum at Strasburg, across the street from the railroad. Got a lot of nice locomotives here. This is H.O. steel. And they got a table in the way, so I gotta scoot behind the table. There's one there working on it. I got the cowling off. Nice big roundhouse there. We'll have another video coming out in a few days about the museum itself. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you this right here that I picked up right before I went to the Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling. It's a Zhuan Smooth 4. It's a gimbal stabilizer for a cell phone. It could be used for an iPhone or an Android. It has an app that goes with it. Right now I'm not using the app. I'm just using the cell phone on here as you can see right there. And what it does, it stabilizes it while you're moving around. Now, I used it the whole time at the Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling, and that video will be coming out pretty soon. So take a look for that in the near future and tell me what you think about this when you see that video there. When you move it like that, it will stay with you the whole time. It lags a little bit right there, but the normal one is this right here, and so it goes smoothly, but it goes slow. But this one goes a little bit faster right here. You could do a lot of different things with it, and it's pretty cool. It's got a 12-hour battery life. I used this for probably, we were there for 3 hours. It's still got a full battery charge on it. So that's pretty good there. So I'm going to turn this thing off. Take a look for the Railroad Museum, the actual museum. We got a lot of good pictures there. Got some video, but a lot of pictures for that. And then the Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Model and the National Toy Train Museum was the last place that we visited while we were there. Unfortunately, there was a lot of other places that we could have visited, but we just didn't. We just ran out of time. We were planning on going back a second time to see what else was there, but we never got a chance to go back up there. So maybe next year we'll do that. So until then, we'll see ya.